Thanks for stopping by and watching another video. Like, share, and subscribe. Helps me out a lot. Channel's growing great, and I appreciate all y'all do. But stick around to the end of the video so I can explain to you the boat mess that ended up in the end that I lost the footage to. Peace out. Oh, what we got? We got another mess. Not another mess, but another project. So we got a boat. That's why I haven't posted any videos, because we've been fishing and trying to enjoy it and everything. But now it's time to, obviously, I can't afford new stuff, so I got to buy stuff that needs a little bit of repair. This probably didn't need a repair right now. A carpet redo, because the people that did it the last time, I can't stand it when somebody just half-ass something. Don't half-ass it. Either all ass it or don't ass it at all. Ugh, it's a mess. Let me show you. So what they end up doing is somebody in the past had stripped all the carpet off. Like, they cleaned this, made this look super nice. But then they come in with these black carpet squares, and then they just patched them on top of just the aluminum. I don't know, just because to keep the sun glare down, keep them from getting hot during the summertime. But the rest of the boat, this was all slippery when it was wet. They did the same thing on the floor. Stripped the glue up from here, so I could put all new carpet on it. So yes, like I said, got another project for the channel. I know the channel doesn't need another project, but it is what it is. My kid loves to go fishing so much. He's in fishing tournaments in high school, and we're pre-fishing and trying to hunt down some fish for him. So I just ain't had time to be in any projects that I already have. So let's start another one. All right, let's call the strippers. All right, I'm gonna try two different techniques here. I know this stuff works because I just used it the other day to strip the two tackle lids, whatever you want to call it. We've already used this to strip. Spray it on, walk away, let it set. And then I'm gonna try this, the premium, which I think is the same thing, except it's in a can. And then what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna roll it on. Because what a lot of people don't realize is this paint stripper is supposed to go on thick. You ain't supposed to spread it out. You know, if you're gonna use a brush, you gotta dab it on. Wherever you dab it and leave the oxygen away from it, it'll actually peel the paint faster. So I think with the textured roller, it's gonna work a little bit better. Spray application. Application number 2. First one. Spray-on's the way to go. The roll-on's not working. I would have to get a brush and dab it on, but I didn't buy no brushes. All right, got the first round. Actually, second round of paint stripper. First round of just soap and water cleanup. Looks way, way better. Of course it would. You're cleaning it, right? So now I gotta finish up the lids. The lids are over there. That's the last round. Soap and water should clean them up pretty good. Now I got to just start working on the back deck. I'd like to get it all clean today and maybe get a rough sanding on it so I know the glue will stick when I buy it and put the glue on it with the carpet. If I can get the front deck and the back deck done today or by Wednesday maybe, which is tomorrow I think. I don't know what day it is. Leave the cockpit for later and go watch the tournament this weekend, the high school tournament. Let me get back at it and get this rear deck cleaned up.
Turn up. Let's go. Let's go.
Here we are at day 2 of the cleanup. We got, I don't know what you call good news, bad news, but I contacted a company last night that make pre-cut carpets for boats. And they didn't have the Nitro, the 640lx on their pre-cut list of where you could just order it and send it and it's already cut for your boat. So I contacted them and I was like, hey, you're close enough. Can I bring my boat over and y'all scan it? And you can have the pre-cut option on your website. And they're like, sure. Problem is it's next week. So this is Wednesday. They told me to bring it over Wednesday or Thursday of next week. I'd have to leave it for a day, maybe a day and a half, and then drive to get it. It's an hour. I think they're an hour away. So, you know, it's worth the time for maybe getting a little discount and the fact that it's pre-cut. It's laser cut. I assume laser cut. I didn't get into details on the phone. The lady was just like, went and asked the boss. They're like, sure, bring it. If you can leave it, that's great. So what I got to do is get it completely cleaned up. Oh my gosh, the haze. There you go. I got to get it completely cleaned up, get all the glue out of it, and get it ready for them to drop it off so they can scan it. So that's what I'm going to do. I got to finish up the gas tank back deck lid, the 2 loud well covers lids, and then work on that floor. That inside cab area is going to be nasty. So if you can see my face, we're just gonna let that work. Might have to clean it out. If it doesn't work as good as I hope it does, I'll get some more spray on it. I'm starting to get a headache. But yeah, first round of floor cleanup is going pretty well. scraping out pretty nice. I might have to put an extra layer on it to get it to deep clean. But right now it's going pretty good. So I'm gonna get out of here. I gotta run to Walmart, find more spray and get some other stuff. So I'll catch you later. Standing on my head, about fell in there. And the fumes. Okay, so I think this is day 3 of the boat strip. I got 2 more spots to strip. Where you at? 2 more over here. That is the live well lids. I'm not going to strip them because I'm going to try to make it down to Florida and do some fishing this weekend. So I'm basically going to reattach all the lids and go fishing. I'm going to have to find some way to keep me from slipping as this gets wet. But yeah, I'm going to attach all the lids, get it ready to go fishing. Ending to the video. Got to the point, didn't take the boat to get this video for the carpet. Decided just to save the money and the carpet yourself. Lost all of that footage. As you can tell, this video just stopped right into this stupid end of the video explanation. So the boat we ended up putting our own carpet in. We used the cheap stuff from Lowe's or Home Depot, one of the two, and just regular carpet glue. Boat turned out awesome. I'm going to give you an update and get you some better. Stick around and make sure you wait for those videos. Sorry about the dumb videos. Peace.